Let's get creative! This is Asus ProArt Z690-Creator Wi-Fi board, and it is ready for 12th Gen Intel Alder Lake LGA 1700 CPUs. Designed for content creators, the Z690 ProArt Creator board has two PCIe 5.0 slots and now supports 4 M.2 slots compatible with Gen 4 M.2 speeds, all armed with the very nifty Q-latch design. This motherboard supports up to 128GB of DDR5 memory, has a 16+1 power stage rated for 70 amps, and utilizes the industry-leading Asus DG Plus control unit on the VRMs to ensure the smoothest power delivery to your CPU for 24/7 use. Power up your imagination with connectivity freedom. The Asus ProArt Z690 Creator Wi-Fi board has 6 USB Type-A ports, 2 Thunderbolt 4 rated Type-C ports, and dual Ethernet connections for 10G and 2.5 gig speeds. It also supports the latest Wi-Fi 6E standards, and for the first time ever, the front panel Type-C port also supports the latest Quick Charge 4+ standard, allowing 60-watt power delivery right through a compatible case. The Asus ProArt Z690 Creator Wi-Fi is really a powerhouse for your creativity, integrated with AI overclocking profiles and the included creation first software to help you have more time to focus on your art and to expand your possibilities.